Oh my god. That is amazing. Hi babies.
Oh, triste sebenarnya.
Which one's your favourite? The tiger or the lion?
I don't know. Now I don't know because they're so gorgeous.
Too young.
Well, come on, Elaine, just pick one.
I can't pick.
If you had to, or both of them die.
Oh, this one is pink. This one's she's pink now.
Oh, Elaine, if you have to choose one of both of them die.
The other ones go very close. Look it's posing for the people. So beautiful.
No, you don't climb up.
That's exciting.
On n'aura pas assez de temps pour aller voir les filles.
So they're just about pubescent.
I would choose. Oh, I'm so sorry, honey.
You said tiger's your favourite animal.
Choosing you to put the jackets on, and we are going somewhere.
And then will you?
Yeah,
Just a tiny bit.
Imaginez voir les girafes.
Yeah, because
infanticide.
he's now a personal friend. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going this way.
Elaine is so long. It's like the reptile house again.
Oh, come on. Where was Charlie?
What a sweetie.
Charlie,
We go.
you have chance.
I had.
You can go up.
Thank you.
Other hand.
Other hand.
I love what
I don't, but I with you. I like
Elaine. And I like to read your favourite. Which is your favourite?
I like
The opal.
Yeah.
Yeah.